Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back for another skincare Saturday video. This week we're doing something a little bit different. I'm sure you hear my bath running in the background. We are going to do a head to toe skincare Saturday video. So I'm not going to bring out all of my products. Obviously, it's too much. You don't need to know everything. But I'm bringing out some key components here. First things first, my hair. I'm going to wash my hair. Now, so, I'm going to take a bath. Obviously, you hear it going in the background. And when I take a bath, I like to either use a bath bomb or a soak. This is the Dr. Teal's Activated Charcoal Soak. It has Epsom salt, which helps relax your muscles. When in combination with hot or warm water, it's good for your body. Now, activated charcoal is a natural detoxifier. This also has black lava salt in it. And these two in combination together is going to cleanse your skin and all that goodness. And then the scent is juniper and grapefruit. Grapefruit is known to have like mood lifters. Juniper, I don't know. I know it's used to make gin. Not even gonna lie. Okay, so that is the salt portion. Now, after I wash my body, and I have a few body washes. I don't even know which one I'm using today, but I do like to go in with a body scrub. Now this is the Manicadar Champagne Charcoal Scrub. It has, let's see, it doesn't even say. I'm looking for the ingredients. Here we go. Wow, it doesn't say. Okay, so most scrubs are a salt scrub. Now, when you pair it with a salt soak, think about what salt does. It absorbs moisture, okay? That's why they use it to like preserve meats and stuff. Or how if you eat something salty, you're really thirsty afterwards. You always want to moisturize your skin after you do anything salt. When it comes to my face, I never use a salt scrub. I have a coffee scrub from Lush. I have a walnut scrub. I have a chemical exfoliator. But I do not use salt on my face because I want my face to retain moisture. Keep that in mind. If you don't take anything else away from this video, keep in mind that salt draws out moisture. Say it with me. Salt draws out moisture. So always replenish that moisture. I personally like to go in with the actual body lotion. This is the EO Essentials Botanical Body Lotion. This is the scent Citrus and Coconut. I love citrus things. Lemon, grapefruit, lime. It's not so much that they relax me, as they lift my mood. So I feel more mentally awake. Maybe not physically, but mentally. I have clearer head. And then, especially after a salt scrub, I like to go in with my Summer and Rose body oil. Now, you want to treat your skin the same way you treat your face. So, when you do oils on your face, you always apply all of your steps, then your moisturizer, and finally your oil. This is a nice lightweight moisturizer for your body, so it's not super thick. Now, if I was going in with like a really thick body moisturizer, I wouldn't go in with an oil. But that is nice. It's lightweight. You can use it during the summer and you don't feel sticky. And then I like to go in with this. because it's relaxing. It does make my skin really, really soft. But however, when I'm going in with scrubs, I do a double scrub method. And I know what you're thinking, like, that's super irritating to your skin. Not really. Here's why. So this is actually a very, let me just take some out. I can show you. This is actually I think this is a sugar scrub. It might be a salt. Very, very fine. It's not super chunky like a coffee scrub. It's not super, super chunky like a coffee. It's not super rough like a walnut. It is a salt scrub. So it's very fine. And I take very, very little. I go over my skin, just rinse it off. So after I'm dry, I like to dry brush. Love, love, love to dry brush. And instead of doing my normal, like, boom, 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 I just basically brush myself the same way I brush my dog. But I don't brush my dog with a dry brush because that would be cool. So, I'm gonna go take my bath, do all of this, and then when I come back, we will do the final steps of my whole little spa day pamper me session face edition. So stay tuned and we'll be back. Okay, so I have done everything we previously talked about. Took my nice bubble bath with my Epsom salt, blah, blah, blah. And then I dry brushed as well as used the Mana Kadar champagne scrub. So I saved this arm to show you what I mean. So I just take the dry brush and get my elbow. Basically, like I'm brushing my dog. Okay. So now I take a little bit of the EO lotions. And then since I'm only doing part of my arm, we'll use a little bit of the Summer Rose. Summer and Rose, I'm sorry. And then just rub that in. All right. So we have washed our hair, taken our nice detoxifying bath. Today I'm going in with not one, but two different masks. The first one is called the Zoo Park Moisturizing Panda Mask. And the little panda right here is saying bamboo. Because he wants some bamboo, I guess. I don't know why he's saying bamboo. Let's find out. Because it has bamboo in it. Interesting. Okay, so when it comes to a sheet mask, always read the directions because you don't want to go through the hassle of putting like all of your stuff on and then having to rinse it all off, because at that point you're just wasting product. So this particular mask says, after washing the face, apply our toner. I don't have their toner, but I am going to apply some e.l.f. hydrating water essence. The water essence is basically just going to prep your skin for whatever you're about to put on it. And I want to make sure I get my under eye, because we don't want to leave the under eyes out. We want to make sure they get nice and moisturized. Now, step 2, take out the mask and adjust the mask so that its entire face concentrating on the eyes. Okay, so we might not be doing 2 masks. We'll find out. Hold on. Now that we've finally gotten this out, you always want to make sure the little nose flap is out. Let's go ahead and put this on. Leave mask on for 15 to 20 minutes and then lightly pat skin to promote absorption of the residue. So because this actually does focus on the eyes, I'm not going to do the second mask. This is a Awakening Ginseng and Eucalyptus under eye mask. They're the cute little jelly things that you put under your eyes. So we have put our water essence on, taking care of our actual body skin, and now we're doing a sheet mask. When the sheet mask is complete, I will come back and we will finish our skincare Saturday video with the last 2 steps. I went and made a cup of coffee, cleaned up my area a little bit. Now I'm going to take my sheet mask off. You want your sheet mask to not be still dripping wet, just so you know. So since I do still have just a little bit on here, the instructions said to help pat in the excess. Okay, so I feel like my skin is nice, hydrated, plump, nice and plump. Okay, I'm gonna take my Pearlescence Vitamin C Hyaluronic Acid Serum. The vitamin C will help brighten my skin, while the hyaluronic acid will help lock in moisture.